let's have a look at the two very popular microphones on the market. The DJI Mic Mini, which I recently bought. Also, Hollyland Mark II, which I bought a year ago. So I've been using this microphone for exactly 1 year, which is pretty cool. And I decided to buy the Mic Mini. There's a couple of reasons, not just the sound, but also I'm planning to buy a couple of cameras from DJI. I'm not sponsored by DJI, I'm not sponsored by Hollyland. I purchase these microphones by myself. So as you can see, the boxes are similar, but the box of the DJI is a little bit bigger and wider, which is cool. And I do like this color of the DJI box, as you can see. Pretty nice. Something that I like a lot is that this locking mechanism, which is fantastic. So you're not going to be able to open the box accidentally. This is fantastic. The Hollyland Mark II, it's nice, but yeah, it's with magnets, but you probably definitely will open accidentally. Never happened to me for the past year. This was in my bag, never happened to me, but yeah, this is gonna give you like extra protection. Something that you'll probably notice is that the case of the Mark II is smaller, and the wind muffs, the wind guards, you're not going to be able to use them with the microphones directly. So basically they're not inside, which is this is a small thing, which I'll show you. This is pretty cool. So the wind muffs are here. So this is nice. So you just take the microphone and you can use it straight away. This is fantastic, which I really like that. So I don't have to put them all the way. The wind muffs on the Hollyland Mark II are just pain to put them on. I hope they can resolve that with the future models. But yeah, pretty cool. Let me show you now. I'm gonna show you the microphones, the transmitter, the receivers, so you can have a look. Let me know in the comments down below if you notice something. Is this looks like a camera to you? I don't know if you can see that, but looks like a small camera, which is fantastic. So as you can see, they're similar, but obviously the DJI one is a little bit bigger. Pretty nice. Let's see the microphones. Obviously the microphones are tiny. Let me remove the wind muff so you can just see it. Should I say probably identical. But the microphone's a little bit... No, probably identical. Oopsie. So, identical. Very cool. So we have a headphone jack, we have a link button, power off, we have a dial for the volume, which is pretty cool. On the Hollyland Mark II, we have a dial for the volume, we have a power button, we have a Type-C, we have also a link button to connect to different devices. Do we have a Type-C here? Yes, we have a Type-C. Yeah, pretty cool. So let me know in the comments down below, have you used them? I'm planning to do a comparison video soon. So make sure to subscribe. So I will do that. But yeah, this is so cute. Looks like a camera. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, it looks like a camera. So I'm planning to do a comparison video. So let me know if you want to see that. I'm very curious to test the microphones. How do you install this card now? So you just put it like this. Let me see behind. It should clip automatically, but yeah. So like I mentioned, I'm gonna do a comparison video with the Hollyland Mark II and the new DJI Mini. Well, it's not new, it's been released a year ago. But I'm very curious how they sound. And yeah, let me know in the comments down below what do you want to see. I'm planning to do like a couple of videos with this new Mic Mini. I'm planning to do a video with mobile phones only and with a DSLR. So yeah, let me know if you want to see that. But yeah, I want to show you these two cases. But yeah, let me know what you think, guys. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.